Hello and welcome to Dan's quick fixes and tips in Premiere Pro and After Effects. And today we're going to take a look at stabilizing a very shaky shot. Now we all know how to load up. I hope we do by now anyway. So we've loaded our clip anyway. And as you can see here, this clip moves all over the place. Okay, so we're going to make it a little bit shorter because we don't really want that to come in. So we will cut that there. That's it. So now we just have the dog jumping. There it goes. Okay, so this is the clip we want. And as you can see, there's a lot of movement in that clip. So what do? We go to our effects and we come down to video effects, find distort, come down to warp stabilizer and drag it onto our clip. Stabilizing the shot. Now we'll take that over to effects control. So that we've got an idea. Now, at the moment, it's done its job, but there's still movement in the shot. And what I'd like is that to be steady, like it's on a tripod. So we come down to stabilization and result, and we go for no motion. And then it'll add that again. It'll do whatever it's got to do. And now when we play the shot, you can see that's pretty stable all the way through. Okay, so that's how you do it in Premiere Pro. Next I will show you how to do it in After Effects. So here we are in After Effects, and as you can see we have exactly the same problem. So what we're going to do is the same thing. We come up to effects, come to distort, right the way down here. So you see warp stabilizer, click on that. And as you can see, it's doing the same thing as it did in Premiere Pro. So we'll just give that a second or two to analyze. As you can see, it's working just here. Okay, good. So now stabilizing it. Right, so as we can see, we have the same as we had before. So now we do the same thing. We go to smooth motion, come to no motion, and let it do its thing. As you can see, stabilizing again. And that should now be as smooth as you're going to get it. It was pretty bad before, and as you can see, that's quite a good result. So we're happy with that. Okay, brilliant. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more quick fixes and tips in Premiere Pro and After Effects. Next we will be looking at the rotor brush, and we will continue working with this clip. Thank you. Have a great day.